51-year-old mansion, Yanagawa Ya is a trendy artisan bakery tucked away in a quiet Taichung neighborhood. Despite being located in such a quiet neighborhood, the bakery is surprisingly easy to find thanks to the giant, eye-catching Melonpan sitting on its rooftop. Yanagawa Ya is the first bakery in Taiwan to use Hoshino natural yeast in all its breads, including their seasonal limited edition varieties. Every batch is made with carefully selected ingredients to ensure the highest quality, which explains their popularity. Don't miss out on their decadent Melonpan soft serve. And their viral Brulee Cream Bun that bursts with cream when bitten into. Recently, it's become a popular spot on Instagram. No wonder adoring fans start queuing as soon as the doors open. This all sounds too tempting to resist. Let's check it out. Chef Eric began learning the art of baking at the age of 16 at a renowned pastry shop. He later traveled to Japan to further his studies. After completing his training, he worked as a professional baking instructor in Shanghai, Macau, the Philippines, and Bangladesh. Ever since, he's dedicated himself entirely to the craft, opening his own bakery, Yanagawa Ya, in 2017 and publishing a cookbook focused on the use of Hoshino natural yeast in 2021.
这个环境很特别，你当初是怎么找到这个店？
就刚好路过，散步经过，然后
哇
看到。
塞，命中注定，这里好棒。
像你看到这个落羽松，也是我们后来来这边才种的。
就直接买那个已经长这么大，
对，已经这么高、这么大的树，然后来就把它种下去。
那个门口的那个菠萝包是你们？
对，因为那时候在设计的想法是太像住家了，我怕客人不敢走进来，所以我想说，那我放个菠萝面包，让人家知道这边是面包店。对，因为这个房子我觉得太严肃了，毕竟它是以前是算官邸嘛，让它有一点，比如说一点树啊，有一点菠萝，才不会那么的压力那么大这样。 我们的菠萝面包是用日本的这个新野酵母，它的风味会跟一般我们吃到那种即发酵母的味道会比较不一样。那我们现在拿到这个是原味的菠萝。
This is a beautiful bolopan。
它跟一般的面包的差别是吃的比较不会有那种胃酸。新野酵母它跟一般的酵母不一样，它是从米曲开始培养，那它从日本 空运来台湾之后，我们还要花1天的时间把它活化，然后活化之后再拿这个酵母做成面包。你可以咀嚼它，然后它是有甜味，有麦香味。
Wow, it's amazing. It's like lingering. It still is after I swallowed the bite. Because there's no sourness, just plain, clean sweetness and the aroma of the flour. Just nice bread.
我们这家店刚开的时候，一天要做2000个，光这个就要做2家，排了10个月，就每天哦。对，那时候就排到隔壁大楼去。
So for the first 10 months, you sold 2,000 of these each day.
对。
And it was limited. So people were lining up for 10 months straight.
每天凌晨3点要上班。对。
Oh, we start working from 3 in the morning until
到晚上7点吧。
3 in the midnight until 7.
对。
That is very long working hours, and people just line up outside all day.
Chef Eric is particularly known for his Japanese-style sweet crust buns, also known as Melonpan. He's created a variety of designs and flavors, which established a strong reputation in Taichung's baking scene.
Very airy, very light, and there's that tenderness to it.
It has become a must-visit bakery in Taichung for lacto-ovo vegetarians.
This is a Melonpan soft serve.
对，我们的菠萝双麒麟。
What a cool combination, and there's a little almond cookie inside that looks like a Melonpan.
Their best-selling Melonpan soft serve reminds me of the famous Hong Kong cafe classic, the pineapple bun with butter. The bun is first warmed until the crust is toasted, then paired with soft serve, creating a satisfying contrast of crispy and creamy, hot and cold in every bite.
嗯，对，试试看。这个双麒麟是用北海道的鲜奶油，然后下去制作，然后画口性还不错。
Hokkaido cream. It's so creamy, extra creamy. And there's dried strawberries on top. The soft serve is very light and fluffy, but the flavor is so rich.
这种很幸福的感觉。
The grand finale, the one and only Brulee Cream Bun.
The glazed cream bun,
对，这是我们自创的一个商品。那这个
invented by
对
Eric.
这个推出之后排队排了3个月，每天。
But when this was first invented, people were lining up for 3 whole months. Caramel glazed top and
那我们品尝它有一个情绪，会有一个情绪价值，
okay.
就是它可以
Show me.
稍微把它吃的时候会稍微把它压下去，
Whoa!
就有点像那个镜子裂开的感觉，他们觉得很舒压。现在人压力太大，现代人舒压的方式。
Whoa! It's like broken glass. Whoa! Ooh.
日本的鲜奶油，
Japanese fresh cream, so fluffy, crunchy, airy, so satisfying.
对，可以吃吃看。
This almost reminds me of a traditional tangkulu. It's like a tangkulu version of a cream bun. So how is this made? Eric was sharing with us that he's risking his life making this cream bun because of how hot the caramel is.
对，非常的烫。
It's around 180 degrees Celsius, and they have to use their bare hands to dip the cream buns in the caramel.
对，就是做这个其实就是当初也是突发奇想，看到一些法式的甜点，那我想说把它融合到面包。
Okay, so this fusion of Japanese bread with French techniques, with Eric's ideas, a very creative product, very creative pastry.
不过看到可以排队3个月，就值得一个商品，到现在还是会有人一直去询问这个商品。